If you ask people if they train hard enough, they're going to say, of course I do. But if you look around the gym, you notice that very few people are even sweating, let alone breathing hard. And I think it's just because people don't know what that actually means.
Are you hitting the gym regularly and following a strict diet, but still not seeing the muscle gains you desire? Despite your best efforts, you may be unknowingly making common muscle building mistakes that are sabotaging your progress. These mistakes can hinder your ability to build muscle and reach your fitness goals. Welcome to Healthee, and in this video we'll explore the top 10 muscle building mistakes that you should avoid, along with tips to help you overcome them and achieve the gains you deserve. So if you're ready to take your fitness journey to the next level, watch ahead to learn how to avoid these common mistakes and build the physique you desire. Number 10. Not eating enough. One of the most common mistakes people make when trying to build muscle is not eating enough. Building muscle requires a lot of energy, and if you don't provide your body with enough calories, it won't be able to build new muscle tissue. This is especially true for people who are trying to gain weight, as they need to consume more calories than they burn in order to put on muscle. To ensure that you're consuming enough calories, you should aim to eat a diet that is high in protein, carbohydrates, and healthy fats. Protein is essential for muscle growth, as it provides the building blocks that your body needs to repair and rebuild muscle tissue. Carbohydrates are also important as they provide your body with the energy it needs to fuel your workouts. Healthy fats are also important for overall health and can also help to boost your testosterone levels, which is important for muscle growth. Number 9. Not lifting heavy weights. Another mistake that can hinder your muscle building progress is not lifting heavy weights. In order to build muscle, you need to provide your body with a stimulus that it isn't used to. This means that you need to challenge your muscles by lifting weights that are heavy enough to cause muscle damage and stimulate muscle growth. To ensure that you'll be lifting heavy enough weights, you should aim to lift weights that are challenging but still allow you to maintain proper form. If you're able to lift a weight more than 10 to 12 reps, it's probably not heavy enough to stimulate muscle growth. Instead, you should aim to lift the weights that are heavy enough to build muscle fatigue after 8 to 10 reps. Number 8. Not allowing enough recovery time. When you lift weights, you're causing damage to your muscle tissue. It's during the recovery process that your body repairs and rebuilds the tissue, which is what leads to muscle growth. If you don't allow enough recovery time between workouts, you'll be preventing your body from repairing and rebuilding muscle tissue. This can lead to overtraining, which can hinder your muscle building progress and even lead to injuries. To ensure that you're allowing enough recovery time between workouts, you should aim to take at least one rest day between each workout. You should also make sure that you're getting enough sleep, since this is when your body does most of its repairing and rebuilding. A study published in the Journal of Strength and Conditioning Research found that active recovery methods such as foam rolling and massage can improve muscle recovery and reduce soreness after exercise. Number 7. Neglecting proper form. Neglecting proper form during weightlifting exercises can be a costly mistake for your muscle building goals. Proper form refers to the way you perform each exercise, including the angle, position, and movement of your body. Correct form ensures that you're working on the targeted muscle group effectively and efficiently, which also minimizes the risk of injury. Improper form can place unnecessary stress on joints, ligaments, and tendons, leading to strains, sprains, and other injuries. Furthermore, incorrect form can cause muscle imbalances, meaning certain muscle groups will be worked more than others, leading to uneven growth and a disproportionate physique. One common mistake it comes to form is using too much weight. Attempting to lift more than you can handle can compromise your form and increase the likelihood of injuries. It's important to start with a weight that allows you to perform the exercise with proper form and technique, and gradually increase the weight as your strength and technique improve. Another common form mistake is not using a full range of motion. A full range of motion means going through the complete movement of an exercise, from the starting position to the end position. Not using a full range of motion can limit the activation of muscle fibers and even limit muscle potential growth. Rushing through exercises can also compromise form. Moving too quickly through exercises can cause you to sacrifice proper form for speed. Moving too quickly through exercises can cause you to sacrifice proper form over speed, leading to increased risk of injury and decreased effectiveness of the exercise. Number 6. Not varying your routine. Muscles need to be consistently challenged in order to continue growing. If you continue to perform the same exercises with the same weight, your muscles will adapt and growth will plateau. This is why it's important to vary your routine by changing the exercises and reps. For example, if you always do bicep curls with dumbbells, try using a barbell or a cable machine for a variety. For example, if you always do bicep curls with dumbbells, try using a barbell or a cable machine for a variety. Additionally, increasing the weight or reps every few weeks can also help challenge your muscles and prevent them from plateauing. Number 5. skipping cardio. While lifting weights is important for building muscle, cardiovascular exercise should not be neglected. Cardio can help improve your overall health, endurance, and aid in fat loss, which can help enhance muscle definition. A common mistake is thinking that cardio will hinder muscle growth. However, moderate intensity cardio can actually improve recovery by increasing blood flow to the muscles, which can aid in recovery and growth. Number 4. Overall reliance on supplements. Supplements can be a useful addition to a muscle building regimen, but over-reliance on them can be a mistake that hinders progress. Many people turn to supplements as a quick fix, hoping to see immediate results without putting in the work required for building muscle. This over-reliance on supplements can lead to neglecting other important factors such as nutrition, training, and recovery. One common mistake when it comes to the supplements is relying too heavily on them for nutrition. While supplements can provide a convenient and efficient way to consume essential nutrients, they should not be replaced for a balanced diet. Whole foods contain a variety of micronutrients and phytochemicals that supplements cannot replicate. And a diet rich in whole foods is essential for overall health and well-being. Another mistake is believing that supplements alone can help you achieve your muscle building goals. While some supplements may provide benefits such as increased energy, improved recovery, or enhanced muscle growth, they cannot replace the hard work required to build muscle. Consistent training and proper nutrition are essential for achieving the gains you desire, and supplements should be used as a complement to these efforts, not as a replacement. Additionally, not doing proper research before using these supplements can also be a mistake. Many supplements on the market are not regulated by the FDA, meaning that there's no guarantee that the ingredients listed on the label are accurate or even safe. It's important to do your research and choose reputable brands that have been tested and verified for quality and safety alike. Over-reliance on supplements can also be a financial burden. Supplements can be expensive, and relying too heavily on them can strain your budget and leave little room for other important expenses such as gym memberships or nutritious food. Number 3. Not tracking progress. Tracking your progress is essential for muscle building. Without tracking progress, it can be difficult to determine if you're making progress or if adjustments need to be made to your routine. One common mistake is not tracking progress accurately. It's important to track progress like weights lifted, reps, and sets, as well as body weight and measurements. This can help you identify areas that need improvement and allow you to adjust your routine accordingly. Not getting enough sleep. Getting enough sleep is critical for muscle building. During sleep, your body releases growth hormones, which is necessary for muscle repair and growth. Additionally, lack of sleep can also lead to increased levels of stress hormones, which can negatively affect muscle growth. One common mistake is not prioritizing sleep. According to the National Sleep Foundation, adults should aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night in order to maximize muscle building potential. Creating a consistent sleep schedule and avoiding screens before bed can also help improve the quality of your sleep. Number 1. Neglecting compound exercises. Compound exercises involve multiple muscle groups and are highly effective for building muscle mass. Neglecting these exercises in favor of isolation exercises can limit muscle growth potential. One common mistake is focusing too much on isolation exercises, such as bicep curls or tricep extensions, while neglecting compound exercises such as squats or deadlifts. Compound exercises should be a staple in any muscle building program. Are you ready to avoid these common muscle building mistakes and take your fitness journey to the next level? Let us know in the comments below. And if you want to supercharge your health even more, check out our latest video release or our fitness playlist, both right here on the screen. We'll see you there.